His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Ahoy, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the chorus. You can impress yourself.
Ooh La La by Faces on the ukulele. Super easy song. Strumming pattern and chords, super easy. There's really only 3 chords you need to know, and for the majority of the song, you're only playing 2 of them. So, it's a D chord and an E minor. That's it. For the majority of the song, a D and an E minor, a D and an E minor. Then in the chorus, I wish that I knew what I know now when I was younger. It's a D and an E minor and a G, and that's it. D, E minor, G. D, E minor, G. For the rest of the entire song, it's just a D and an E minor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the first verse in the chorus just so you can kind of see where the chords go and the strumming pattern that I'm going to use, and then I'll teach you the strumming pattern at the end. First verse. Oh, Granddad, I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They'll trap you and they'll use you before you even know. The love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. Chorus. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. The strumming pattern you can use for this entire song. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up. Those are all the chords. That's the strumming pattern you could use. Thank you guys for watching. So if you want to learn how to play the ukulele with confidence, you're confident that you can strum the ukulele, you're confident you can play chords, you're not even thinking about the strumming pattern anymore, you should check out my ukulele course. Or if you want to buy it for someone else, a friend, a brother, a sister, a sibling, a son, daughter, niece, nephew, first baby's Christmas, you know, whatever, you should check it out. You will become a master at strumming the ukulele without even having to think about strumming anymore. So that way you can move on to actually playing the ukulele and singing along with it. And it'll be so much more fun. So if you're looking to master chords and strumming and be able to have more fun playing the ukulele, check out my course. Give the gift of learning how to play the ukulele to somebody that you know and love this year.